Happy New Year 2024. Hi there, Be the Calculator here and welcome to the 2024 New Year Special. A nice Olympiad problem to kickstart the year. Enumeration. A triangle has 12 points on its edge as shown. They are to be connected in pairs by 6 line segments that pass through the triangle's interior. On screen is one example. How many different ways are there of doing this? Here are 30 seconds on the clock for you to have a go. Feel free to pause here to give yourself more time to solve the puzzle. Press play when you're ready for the solution. In enumeration problems, when we are counting solutions systematically, such as these, it's crucial to count every possibility once, and only once. A good way to start tackling this problem is to look at the vertices, endpoints of the triangle first. If we take a look at the top vertex of the triangle, it's clear we cannot create a link between any of the points on either the left or the right hand side of the triangle, as these lines won't pass through the interior. The only points that can connect from the top are the 3 points on the opposite side. If we take a look at the right side vertex, we can see that the only points that can connect from that are the 3 points on its opposite side. The same goes for the left hand vertex, like so. As each vertex links independently to one of their 3 opposite points, we must multiply them together to get 27. There are 27 different ways the vertices can link together. We now need to take a look at the remaining points. Let's connect the 3 vertices to a point on the opposite side, like so, showing 1 out of the 27 different ways to connect them. Once we've done this, we can remove them to focus on the remaining points. This gives 2 points on each edge, like so. Let's take a look at one point at the base of the triangle. We can connect this point to any of the 4 points circled. There are 4 different possibilities. Now, connecting that point to one of them leaves us with the diagram shown. If we take a look at the remaining base point, you may think, as there are 3 remaining points, there are 3 different ways to connect from this point. However, if connected to the point on the left hand side as shown, we would force the 2 points on the same side to connect, which is not possible, as the line does not pass through the interior of the triangle. Therefore, there are only 2 possible points the base point can connect to, as circled. Once we've done this, as there are only 2 remaining points left, there is only one possible way to connect them. Like before, as these choices are made independently from each other, we must multiply the values together to get the total number of possibilities. 27 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 216. There are 216 possible ways to connect the 12 points using 6 lines. We wish you a fantastically mathematical Happy New Year 2024, and we look forward to joining you next week for another maths ride.